guys, welcome back to another Battle of the Foundations. Well, yes, we are doing something a little bit different today. I am doing a foundation declutter because as you can see, I have a lot of it and a lot of it's just not being used. So it's time to go through and get rid of the ones that I'm not using anymore. I'm going to go ahead and donate those and then make sure that I keep the ones that I just absolutely love to wear. So I thought I would share all my foundations with you guys and we'll go through them as quickly as possible. Before we get started though, please make sure that you take a moment to subscribe to my channel by hitting that little subscribe button down there in the corner. And also hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, thanks so much for checking out my video today on doing my foundation declutter. Now, if you're wondering why I am not showing up on the video, it's because I broke a blood vessel in my left eye. Let's see, that was last Friday. Today is Wednesday. It's actually looking pretty darn bad. You barely see any of the whites in my eye, so I don't want to give anybody kind of the heebie-jeebies or freak anybody out, so I thought I would just be nice and stay out of the videos while I'm filming. I am having knee surgery this coming Friday, so on the 20th, 2 days from now. I have torn the meniscus inside my knee, so I'm going to be having surgery, and he doesn't know until he gets in there if he can repair it or if he's just going to take everything out. If he can repair it, I'm going to be on crutches for about 4 weeks, but I'll still be able to, move around and film and things. But if he just cuts that part out, then I'll be laid up for just about a week. So I'm kind of opting for the second part. I don't want to be laid up for 4 weeks. Hey, if you guys have had knee surgery at all, like meniscus surgery, leave me a comment down below and let me know how everything kind of went for you, because I'm very curious to see kind of how this works. So today I'm filming on my dining room table because I needed space to spread all of this out, and I'm just going to go through everything one by one and just kind of show you everything real quick. And I've got 2 bins sitting here on the side. One is for things I'm going to keep and one is for things I am going to go ahead and just donate. So let's get started. The first ones I'm going to go over are ones I have not even tried yet, so they're on my list of foundations to give a try. This is the Flower Light Illusion Luminous Makeup, but I'm going to be actually doing an entire get ready with me. I bought a whole bunch of Flower Beauty makeup, so I'll be doing a Battle of the Foundations with this, and then I'll be doing a get ready with me using all of the other products that I got. So stay tuned for those. So this one I will definitely be keeping. I also picked up the BH Cosmetics BH Liquid Foundation, Naturally Flawless, and this is another one I'll be doing a Battle of the Foundations on. This one is in Ivory Beige, so be on the lookout for that. And then I picked up the LA Girl Pro Matte High Definition Long Wear Foundation. I also have their Pro Coverage, which I really like that one. So I have high hopes for this. Colors look way off from each other, so we'll see. But that one again, I will be holding on to because I've yet to do the video on it. And let's move on to my most reach for foundations. First one is the Fenty Beauty, and that one I've really I haven't been reaching for it all that often, but I do use it. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and keep that. And then I have the Japanesque. This one, I'm still kind of on the fence. I want to play around with it and try mixing it in with some other foundations and see how that goes. So I am going to go ahead and keep that one for now. With the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup, I'm in the color Desert Beige in this. This is definitely a keeper. I love this. It's got such great wear. It just feels really good on my skin and just feels like my skin, and it's high coverage foundation, or full coverage foundation. Which I should mention to any of you that are new to my channel, my skin type, I am normal I can get dry at times, and I do get just a little bit oily right around my nostrils, but that's not till way late in the day, like hours 8 or 10. So I can pretty much wear any types of foundation. I prefer full coverage, and I prefer one that doesn't feel like it's still on my skin. I just have something that it irritates me if I feel it on my skin. So moving on, we've got the Lancome Teint-Idole Ultra 24-Hour Makeup. This is another one I'm definitely going to be keeping. I love this. It is just such a flawless coverage on this. This is in the color 270 Bisque W. So that one is a keeper. Then I've got my NARS. This is their Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Some of these I also have videos on, so if you have not seen my video, the Battle of the Foundations on it, down below in the description box, I'm going to leave a little indicator next to the ones I do have a video on, and I'll leave a link to those as well, so you can go and watch those if you'd like. But this is the NARS, definitely going to be a keeper, as will the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. I love this. This is such a full coverage, beautiful, beautiful finish. I'm in the color Creme Brulee, and this is definitely a keeper. All right, if you were to say, Karen, what is your very favorite high-end foundation? It's going to be the Jouer. If you're going to say, Karen, what is your favorite foundation ever? It's going to be the Jouer. This is the Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. I cannot believe the coverage. You need just a little tiny bit of this. It is so lightweight feeling on your skin. It's just wonderful. It's got hyaluronic acid in it. It's got a matte finish. It's on the runny side, so you need to make sure that you shake it. I am in the color Porcelain of this, and I love, love, love this foundation. Anybody can wear this one. That is that good. Another one of my favorites is the YSL All Hours Foundation. This just has such beautiful coverage. Again, it's a full coverage foundation. It's matte, oil-free, and I am in the color Sand for that. So that's definitely a keeper. I've got the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer all in one. This one, if you haven't seen it before, oops, my stopper just came out. Darn it. Okay, I'll have to fix that. But it's got a doe foot applicator on it. So that's the only downfall. I wish it wasn't that type of an applicator on it. I wish I had a pump, but this works really, really well. And I love the coverage on that one too. Oops, and I am in the color, Linen on this one. All right, now I'm moving on to the Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation, and I have used this so much. I'll tell you, the first time I tried it, I absolutely hated it. I thought it was awful. I couldn't stand it. I thought I was going to be returning it, and then something made me just add 1 drop of oil to it to mix that in, and that did a complete turnaround for me. So that's the way I can wear this, is just with 1 little drop of oil. So if you ever have a foundation that's just not quite working for you, play around with it a little bit and see if you can mix it with another foundation or add a drop of oil. That will usually fix a lot of the problems. And this is in the color 2.5. Now, if you were to ask me what was my favorite drugstore foundation, this is one of the two. This is the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation. This is full coverage, so lightweight. It just has a beautiful feel to it. I'm in the color 120 Classic Ivory, and this is just a beautiful foundation. I will be getting to my other favorite here in just a minute, so be on the lookout for that, but this is my favorite drugstore. All right, this is a spendy product. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. Now, when I got it, they had it in 2 sizes, so this is the small bottle, and I got it with the last VIB sale that was going on, so I got my discount sale on that at Sephora. But for this last VIB sale, I looked and they did not have this size on Sephora's website, and they also didn't have it on Giorgio Armani's website. So I don't know if it's something they temporarily took down or if it's going to come back, but definitely well worth the money. This is not something I wear every day. I keep this for special occasions, but I love the finish of this. I love the full coverage. I love how lightweight it feels. So this is also definitely a keeper. Okay, this one I recently did a Battle of the Foundation on. If I did a Battle of the Foundations on any of these, down in the description box below, I'll leave some sort of indication which ones I've done a video on, and I'll also leave the link to those. Or you can just simply go to my playlist. I have all my Battle of the Foundations, and I think I've got about 40 in there already. So you can always search by the name of the foundation, and you should be able to find it. But this is the brand new Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. I absolutely love this. It is so lightweight. It is so full coverage. It is just my favorite. This has become my everyday, if I'm going to wear foundation, this is the one I put on every single day. I'm in the color F40. I was in Ulta yesterday. My Ulta did not have these, but the one thing I really like is that the number of these correspond with the number of their concealers. So if you already have the concealer and you know what your skin tone is in that, you're going to know what your foundation shade is. These are supposed to be coming to Ulta really, really soon, but for now you can go to Makeup Revolution's website and order them off that. But this is definitely my very, very favorite drugstore foundation. Alright, let's move on. Alright, this one is the Cover FX, and this is a cream foundation. This is the Cover FX Total Cover Cream Foundation. I honestly don't even reach for this one anymore. It's in the color G30, and it's a good color match for me, but I'm not wearing it. So I'm going to actually go ahead and donate this one. So yay, after going through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, the 16th one is going to be a donated one. Okay, now I have the Tattoo Cover Cushion by Secret Key. So this one is, again, a cushion foundation. This one's really got great coverage. So between my cushion foundations, which I have 3 of them, this would be probably number 2. Number 1 for me is going to be the Wet n Wild. And I just think that that has much better coverage. The one thing I liked about the Tattoo Secret Key is it did come with a second little supply of it. So you keep the case and you put the new one inside. So I'm going to go ahead and keep both of these. The Secret Key, I'm in color light beige, and then in the Wet n Wild, that one I am in cream ivory. So I am keeping those 2, but I am going to donate the L'Oreal Lumi Cushion. This is color N2, and again, it's just not something I've been reaching for. It's not that it's a bad product at all, it's just I'm not wearing it. So that one's going to get donated. Alright, this one I'm definitely going to be keeping. This is the La Prairie Cellular Treatment Foundation. It's a powder foundation. I love the coverage on this. This is amazing. This is the perfect thing to carry in your purse if you know you're going to need to do touch-ups during the day, because it is a powder, so you can reapply it over any of the other powders that you have on your face. It's full coverage. It's spendy, but you can find it. I wouldn't buy it from La Prairie or even any of the high-end drugstores. Go online. I think I got mine for like $63 off of jet.com. Otherwise, this is normally, I think, closer to $90-some. So this one is beautiful coverage. It looks so good, and I hope you don't hear the squeaky toys, because now they're playing with the toys. The dogs are. So anyway, that's definitely a keeper. Alright guys, I think this is a great place to just put a stop to this and end part 1. I will be working on part 2 editing
I really hope I have the time to get that done and up for you on Saturday's video. If I don't, unfortunately, I'm just going to have to miss having a video up on Saturday, which means that part 2 will show the next Tuesday. So again, thanks so much for watching. Again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button. Along with the bell notifications, you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is normally every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. But again, I'm a little off right now because of my upcoming surgery. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, please. And also feel free to leave me any comments or questions or concerns, anything like that. I just love hearing from you guys. So thanks so much for watching, and as always, I love you. Bye-bye.